All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at this Tuesday verb. So cost, cost, cost. Yeah, there we are. How much something is. Yeah. How much? What was needed to get something. Yes. It cost him a lot. That box cost them a lot of money. Cost. Those all costed them. Those will cost them the entire fund. Yeah. That might cost it its life. It might die if it doesn't. It might die if it doesn't do it. Maybe. Yeah. Who knows what it will cost? Time, money, energy. Time, money, energy. Whew. Yeah, who knows? Who knows? My costs were all covered last night. Someone else paid my costs. Yeah, somebody else paid them. It cost me nothing. Cost me nothing. Yeah. It is not costing much. Yeah, it's not costing much, so it's okay. Yeah. It is not costing as much, not as much as we thought it would. Yeah, it's not costing as much. Yeah. It is costing him a lot of money. It is going to cost him a lot of money. Yet he does not know it. It will cost him a lot of money. At this rate, it is going to cost them more next year than this year. Yeah, it's going to cost them more next year. Yeah, so cost, how much something is or what was needed to do or get something. Time, energy, effort, or money. So, can you use cost in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.